How to fix waiting for network error on Telegram in iOS. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. And if your internet is not working, you can also try to restart your router and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. Next, go ahead and in settings again, tap on the cellular option you see there and then go ahead and scroll down and make sure that you have selected or toggled on the toggle button for Telegram. And if not, then make sure the toggle button for Telegram is enabled in here. Next, you can also simply go ahead and enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then disable it again, as doing this will refresh your network connection. See if that helps, and if not, then go ahead and open Telegram on your device and then swipe up on your screen and force quit Telegram along with all the apps running in the background, as doing this will refresh the application. See if that helps, and if not, then you can also simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. Also, just in case if you are connected to any kind of VPN services, then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for VPN or simply disconnect yourself from VPN, as VPNs might block the network. See if that helps, and if not, then simply open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Telegram, and make sure the Telegram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the Telegram application, and this might help you in fixing your network issues. If not, then open settings again and then tap on general and then on software update. Here, make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update your iPhone. Additionally, in general, again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then on reset and then on reset network settings. Go ahead and reset your network settings and make sure that this will remove all your saved passwords and network settings. Once the network settings has been reset, reconnect to Wi-Fi and then try Telegram again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then it simply could be the server issue, so you can simply go ahead and check for Telegram server status, and if not, then go ahead and simply wait a few minutes and then try again later if the server are experiencing issues. Last resort is you can simply try to uninstall the Telegram application on your device and then reinstall it again from your app store, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Telegram network issue. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.